Day number 14 of the 30-day Crypto.com challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. It's down 5% today. The whole market is down, but let me show you something. This is the last game at the Staples Center between the Lakers and the Clippers. And then the next time they play, it will be called the Crypto.com Center. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. As we've been doing through this 30-day challenge, and this is the 14th day, so thank you for joining with me. 13 straight days, 14 straight days, actually. Now today, I'm looking at the market. The market is down, and if you go look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is down 8%. So the whole market is down. So I'm thinking, should we get less? Should we get more? And the thing about it, we've been really consistent, and you've been consistent as well. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and try to get a little bit more because it's down. So I'm getting $150 worth of Crypto.com today, and it's going to be 242 tokens. I'm going to get it on COINBASE.com today, and just because I guess I just feel good about getting on there. Just feel good about it. And don't forget, if you got, if you don't have an account for it, go ahead and sign up for it anytime in the description box. So let's go ahead and do this right now. So the fees will be $2.99. And if I go back here, let's click on the view transactions and let's go check this out as well. While that's being added up, let me change this to 14 days. And now we have 2826 of Crypto.com tokens. Our gold is 4,000. Now let's go ahead and paste this in here as well. 60 cents, guys. 60 cents. Now think about this. The average buying price keeps going lower and lower and lower, which meaning when this thing does start lifting out, it's gonna be nothing but profits, because it's been in the red for at least the last 5 days. But I'm thinking, man, in the future, this thing is going to be really, really good. In my opinion, not financial advice whatsoever. So let me go ahead and click on here. And we have 147 and 1 cent. So let me go ahead and hit there. 1 cent. So that completes our $150 purchase today. Only $2.99 is actually for the fees. Let me go ahead and copy this down, and we got it on COINBASE.com. And look at this. I'm sitting here looking at the buying price today is 60 cents, but the average price is 74 cents. So we got as high as 94 cents, which meaning I could see us getting that again more consistent. So we total paid $2,041 totally so far. Fees is $44. Total pay is $2,000. A little bit over $2,000. And the profit, well, it's not profit. We in the red, $384, but I see profits in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm really excited. It's the last game between these two teams, the Lakers and the Clippers, at the Staples Center before the building changes name to Crypto.com Arena later this month. But see, this is all preparation till we get to here, and we're just gonna hold. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. If you don't have access to COINBASE.com, click on the link below, and I'll see you on the next video.